How to install APK files on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about if we can install APK files directly on iPhone or not. So let me just show you an example by simply heading over to my browser, and as you can see we cannot directly install the APK files on iPhone because it's for Android, as iOS and Android uses different operating systems. So you must have known, since you are using iPhone, that iPhone uses IPA files for app distribution while Android uses APK files. So because of these differences, APK files are not designed to run on iOS devices. So if you still want to download those Android apps on your iPhone, then you might consider downloading an Android emulator or mirroring your Android screen on your iPhone. So that's the only way. Since you are already on your iPhone, what you can do instead is just tap on this App Store, head over to App Store, and you can just download the available applications or games over here, which has been provided from the iPhone store itself, that is App Store. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next